Hi everyone, this is Vandana Prajapati. Welcome back to the series. So far, we have understood what business analysis is and the role of a business analyst. But today, we are solving one of the biggest confusion in this field. Business analyst, data analyst, system analyst, three roles, three career paths, but most people don't know the real difference. And that's exactly why many people end up choosing the wrong career path. So today we are going to make this crystal clear. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. A business analyst focuses on business problems, processes, and requirements. A data analyst focuses on data extracting insights, trends, and patterns. And a system analyst focuses on technology, systems, architecture, and technical solutions. Same goal, solving problems, different approaches. Now, this is important. If you don't understand this difference, you might prepare for the wrong skills, apply for the wrong rules, and feel stuck in your career. Companies also suffer when they hire the wrong type of analyst for the problem. So, clarity here is equal to better career decisions. Let's take a powerful example. Imagine a company working on improving and advanced driving features in electric vehicles. Here's how the three roles contribute. The data analyst analyzes sensor data to detect driving patterns and anomalies. The system analyst evaluates the software and hardware integration to find technical issues, and the business analyst take both insights and converts them into clear product requirements for future improvements. Three rules, one goal, collaborative impact. Now imagine this as a Venn diagram. One circle, business analyst, requirements, stakeholder, processes. Second, data analyst, SQL, dashboard, analytics. Third, system analyst, architecture, technical design, system integration. And in the center, shared skills like communication, problem solving, and documentation. That center is where real value is created. So, how do organizations actually use these rules? Step 1, identify the types of problem. Is it a business issue, data issue, or system issue? Step 2, choose the right analyst role. Step 3, responsibilities clearly. Define responsibilities clearly. Step 4, identify collaboration points. Step 5, create a RASI matrix for accountability. Step 6, conduct joint discussions when needed. This ensures alignment across teams. Let's look at a practical case. A large bank wanted to reduce loan processing time from 7 days to just 1 day. The business analyst mapped the process and found delays. The data analyst built a credit scoring model using historical data. The systems analyst designed integration between systems. The result, loan processing reduced to just a few hours, and customer satisfaction increased massively. This is the power of combining all three roles. Now let's talk tools. Business analysts use tools like Jira, Confluence, Miro. Data analysts work with SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Python. System analysts use UML tools, Visio, and GitHub. And some tools like Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams are common across all. Now, here's the most important insight. These roles are slowly merging. Companies are now looking for hybrid professionals, people who understand business, data, and systems. These are called full stack analysts or analytics engineer. If you want to future proof your career, start building skills across all three areas. So let's summarize. Business analysts focus on processes and requirements. Data analysts focus on insights and numbers. System analysts focus on technology and architecture. All three roles work together on complex problems, and the future belongs to hybrid analysts. Now I want to ask you, which analyst are you, or which one do you want to become? Business analyst data analyst, system analyst, or a full stack analyst? Comment below. I had loved to see your answer. And if you are serious about building your career in this space, follow this series for complete guidance. This is Vandana Prajapati. See you in the next chapter.